In this video I'm going to show you how to use the voice chat on the Nintendo Switch. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click right here on the plus. Then we're going to click on settings. Then we're gonna click on the writing and we're gonna make sure the voice chat is 100%. We're gonna click again right here above on the writing and we're gonna make sure that the voice chat is, you can choose friends only, friends and teammates and everybody, that is on everybody, and that the voice chat method is on open mic. Well, I'm gonna click on back. I'm gonna click on back and we're gonna save this. So we just did it in the settings. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take a mic. Right here we have a mic, as you guys can see. A mic. We're gonna put the mic into the Nintendo Switch. Boom. And you can see right above, you saw it. And what will happen right now, guys, if you join the chat, you join in a Fortnite game, then that's how you can use the voice chat on Fortnite.